Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to file an LLC using Sunbiz, which is Florida's official division of corporations website. Filing an LLC here is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully. Let's go through it together from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to sunbiz.org. On the home page, look for the section called Start a Business and choose Limited Liability Company. From there, you'll see the option to file Articles of Organization online, which is the main document required to officially form your LLC in Florida. When you begin, the first section will ask for your LLC's name. Make sure your desired name is unique and includes LLC or L.L.C at the end. Sunbiz provides a search tool to check if your name is available, and I recommend doing that before moving forward to avoid rejection. Next, you'll need to provide the principal place of business, which is your main business address. It can be your home address if you don't have a separate office. After that, you'll be asked to appoint a registered agent. The registered agent is someone who agrees to accept legal documents on behalf of your company. This person must have a Florida address, and they must agree to serve in this role by electronically signing the form. After the agent section, you'll move on to the members or managers of the LLC. Here you'll list the owners or managers, including their names and addresses. You can add as many as you need. Keep in mind that this information becomes part of the public record, so double-check before submitting. The next part is the effective date. You can choose to have your LLC become active immediately upon filing, or select a future date up to 5 business days later. Most people simply choose the immediate option. Once all of that is filled in, you'll move to the payment section. As of now, the filing fee for an LLC in Florida is $125, which includes both the Articles of Organization and the Registered Agent designation. You can pay with a credit card, debit card, or prepaid Sunbiz e-file account. Before submitting, make sure to review your entire application carefully. Errors like a wrong address, misspelled names, or missing information can delay your approval. When you're satisfied, submit the filing, and you'll get a confirmation page and receipt. After submission, processing usually takes a few business days, and once approved, you can download your official Articles of Organization directly from the Sunbiz website. This document proves that your LLC has been legally formed in Florida. And that's it! You've successfully filed your LLC using Sunbiz. From here, don't forget to apply for an EIN with the IRS, open a business bank account, and take care of any local business licenses you may need. That's the complete process, step by step, for filing an LLC using Sunbiz. Subscribe the channel for more videos.